Writing a call to action in your email. One of the most important parts of your actual email is your call to action. You don't write emails to your list just for the sake of writing emails. You also want them to take some kind of action. You want them to click on a link to read a blog post, or to watch a video, or to check out a new product you just released. Basically, you want them to take a specific action, and to do this, you have to tell them specifically what they need to do. So when you write a call to action in your email, don't be afraid to be direct. Tell people exactly what to do. You don't want any of your subscribers to read your email and then wonder what they are supposed to do after reading the email. Here are a few examples of some good calls to action. Click here to get started. Check out this video to get the full details. If you want to learn more, just go here. Of course, you want to either make that call to action a link to the page you want to send your subscribers, or just have the actual URL next to or below the call to action.